This 2025 Jayco J Flight SLX 287 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 34 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 10, oven, refrigerator, leveling jacks, water heater, LP detector, slide out, skylight, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco J Flight SLX 287 BHS is 6,195 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.